And when you go for the Dharma teachings, you look alert. It doesn't matter how difficult your day was. Somebody else had a more difficult day. But no matter how difficult your day is, when you push yourself, you're able to push yourself. You're able to endure. If you're physically sick, that's a different story, of course. This is not a fanatical practice. And then that day, the sponsor, if possible, should go to the teacher's house and invite him, clean and pure, provide the transport. If that's not necessary because the teacher lives nearby and he has his own mode of transport, then you wait at the Dharma center. You wait at the Dharma center, outside the center, with the kata and with incense, kata, and flower in hand. And all the students should line the walkway at the Dharma center if possible, all the way to the throne. And each person doesn't offer kata for the teacher, and by the time he gets to the throne, he has an arm ache. No, everybody holds a kata as a offering of the mind, and the teacher walks past you and goes onto his throne and sits. The minute he sits on his throne, you make 3 prostrations to the throne. What is the throne? The throne is there to uplift the Dharma, to hold the knowledge of Dharma. It's sacred and holy. You're prostrating to the knowledge of the Dharma that the teacher has. And during Dharma talk, you do your best to control yourself. Don't fall asleep. It's very, very rude to fall asleep during a Dharma talk or during pujas. No matter how tired you are, it's very, very rude. Why? It shows that you don't push yourself towards some type of control of your own mind. That you just let your mind wander. Very, very rude.